Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant VGK.SYS blue screen error. Alright, one of the reasons why this particular error occurs is that there might be a conflict between processes or services, including the Corsair VBus driver.sys and the VGK.SYS. Alright, which basically means that some Corsair related application are blocking the VGK.SYS service. So what we're going to do to fix that is basically go to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. All right, click this system setting right here and make use of the search bar right here and type in Corsair and make sure that you uninstall any Corsair related apps for now. All right, once done, open up your favorite browser and paste this link. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. And follow the instructions right here on how to perform a clean reinstallation or reset of IQ. Uninstall IQ, but of course, don't install it yet. And then make sure that you clean up leftover files. All right, follow this set of instructions right here. Now, once done, just go ahead and restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead and open up your File Explorer and locate the Riot Games folder. For example, the Riot Vanguard is usually installed on C. Program Files, Riot Vanguard, right here, double click on it, and locate the service called or system file called VGK.SYS. Right click on it and hit on Properties. All right, once you're in here, go to the Security tab and hit on Edit right here. Click on it, select all application packages, and make sure that you have full control. All right, once done, all restricted application, make sure that you set to allow, system allow, and users allow. Once done, hit on apply, hit on OK. This one will close. Launch Valorant or any other Riot games and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in services. All right, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and locate the process called VGC. All right, click on VGC, right click on it and go to Properties. The startup type, it should be automatic. Hit on Apply. Once you hit on Apply, go ahead and hit on Start. Once the service started, just go ahead and hit on OK. Close this one. Don't launch the game yet. Open CMD. Command prompt. Type in net space start space VGK. All right, once done, just hit on Enter. As you can see here, the requested service has already been started. Now, if yours have a different result right here, just type in exit to close the command prompt. And make sure that no Riot Games related services is running in the background. For example, here, right click on it and hit on exit. If your Riot Vanguard is running in the taskbar as well, just right click on it and hit on quit or exit. All right. Once done, to make sure, right click on a blank space on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and locate any Valorant or Riot Games related services right here. If you can see one, just go to right click on it and hit on End Process Tree. All right, once done, close this one. Go back to Add or Remove Programs. Click on this one right here and locate Vanguard. Once you have it located, just go and click on Riot Vanguard and hit on Uninstall. Once uninstalled, run Riot Client again. All right, click on Valorant or any game. There should be an update button right here, which is required. Just go ahead and click on it. Update your game. All right, but once the update is done, go ahead and play the game and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.